पेश है पाकिस्तान अमेरिकन बिजनेस एसोसिएशन के चेयरमैन मोहम्मद सिद्दीक शेख की BB&T बैंक के नुमाइंदे से गुफ्तगू।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, शेख सिद्दीक हाज़िर है। आज हम डेबी परेरा से बात करेंगे इंश्योरेंस के मतलब। डेबी, would you please introduce yourself?
Yes, thank you for having me. I'm Debbie Pereira with BB&T Insurance Services out of Fairfax, Virginia.
About the insurance, one is what is liability, second is what is workman comp, and third is the life insurance, and the fourth is how they can cover their properties.
Each and every business owner should be protected by insurance, and each and every business owner should have their insurance policy customized to their need. The coverages that they might need include general liability insurance, which protects their third-party liability if somebody's injured on their property or if something happens and a lawsuit's brought against them, they can have liability insurance to protect them from that. Also, they should have coverage on any kind of property they own, whether it be a building or business property, your furniture, your computers, or if you're a construction worker, you would want to insure your equipment, depending on your type of business and operation. Also, workers' compensation is very important for your employees. It would cover people that are injured while in the course of employment and would protect your employees if something should happen to them. And then there's also life insurance. Key man life, if you have a partnership or you're in a business and you have key employees, you would want to have some coverage protection on them should something happen. You could continue your business without interruption and could help to pay for hiring somebody or pay the cost to hire to bring somebody new on that would have the experience level of that individual.
The workman comp, isn't that also workman comp play like if somebody get injured and that person can go to the hospital and a hospital pay by the workman comp?
Yes, absolutely. All the medical expenses, if you're injured on the job in the course of employment, your medical expenses are covered for whatever you incur when you're injured, yes. And also for loss of wages. If you have to be off from work, it pays your loss of wages from having to be off from work.
When person buys a small business and something happened to their partners, life insurance will pay them off.
It would help to incur the expenses to cost, if you had to recruit somebody or bring somebody new with the same experience level, or just help to pay the expenses of the business to keep it operational. It should be part of the business plan and part of financial planning when you have a business, absolutely.
Very nice, and I believe this will be very good education for our community, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for having me. I'm Debbie Pereira with BB&T Insurance Services. If you should have any further questions, please send your communications to the email at the bottom of the screen.